Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is going to be a really short one because one, it's right before I'm leaving when I'm posting this, so I need it to be short so it'll upload faster. And two, because we've already gone over most of this, I'm just showing you what I specifically am taking rather than you can do this. So for me, this is a part 2 of the European packing trip because I know for a fact I'm going to be buying clothes over there, so I don't need to pack or take everything that I showed you guys the first go around. In fact, I'm only going to take about half of what I showed you guys the first go around because I don't need the rest of it. So first I'm going to show you 5 tips for me personally on how to pack for a trip like this, and then I will be telling you the tips as I go, but I know for a fact I'm going to give you 5. So here we go. Practice walking with your things. So those are my 5 tips. I hope you guys use the tips that I told you. I hope they're helpful to you. I know for a fact they are helpful to me. They have made it so every single trip I've gone to, on the last 10 trips I've gone on, I have never lost anything, whether on the way over there or on the way back. So I hope these are helpful like they are to me. I hope you use them if you do find them helpful. If you like this video, please like. If you like some of the videos on my channel, please subscribe. I deeply appreciate it, especially as someone who's straight out the gate starting. So that's all I have for today. Don't forget to be nice to each other, and I love you guys. Have a great day. This is also a prelude for I'm going out of the country for a little while. So the next upload that I have, which is supposed to be on Monday, is going to be postponed until the day I get back, because whenever I go over there, I don't know if I'm going to have internet, so I'm going to go ahead and apologize for that. But I will have a video uploaded the day I get back, which should be on a Wednesday or Thursday. I can't remember which one, but one of those days I will have a video uploaded. That's a just so you know. Bye guys.